Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing of my new ecovac T30 Omni. As I promised in my last video, if you haven't watched the last video of mine, please do watch. I'm going to give the link here on top at the end of the video. So guys, without further ado, let's start unboxing. So guys, this is the package here. It's quite a big box, but this is how the robot cleaner with the dustbin looks like. Now if you look at the back side of the box, here they have given the main highlights of the robot vacuum cleaner. So let's go through them. Through adaptive mopping. Through edge adaptive edge mopping keeps the mop close to the edges of all time to eliminate blind spots of cleaning. Then zero tangle anti-tangle technology. Dual comb anti-tangle structure and anti-static main brush effectively prevents hair entanglement on main brush. Then mini omni station. Hot water mop washing, hot air drying, auto empty and more powerful functions all in compact station to fully free up your hands. Then professional vacuuming, the super strong vacuum power, professional carpet setting and auto lifting mop deal with both floors and carpet properly. Intelligent movement empowered by through detect 3D obstacle avoidance and through mapping global path planning. It excels in precise navigation and minimum collisions. Here it works with Google Assistant and also with Alexa. Then you can download app from App Store and Google Play. So without wasting any time, let's carry on with the unboxing. In the box you get this base which is called as base bases, which docks to your base station. Then you get this power cord, a manual guide, base station. Then you get a dirty water tank, clean water tank. You get a single side cleaning brush. Lastly you get a robot vacuum cleaner. Now this vacuum cleaner comes with two mopping pads and a roller brush which already comes attached to it. Since this thing is quite compact, company claims that it can be installed anywhere in tight area, so I'm going to place it here under the table and it will do the cleaning from here. But guys, keep in mind that there should be a clear space around the base station, at least a half a meter, so that this thing works properly. Now let's go ahead and install the base bases and the side cleaning brush. This thing will dock here like this. There you go. And the side brush will go here and you're done. Now if you look at the top of the vacuum cleaner, you get a through mapping sensor. Then you get three buttons. This button is for exit return to the base station. This is for start, pause and continue, and this is for spot cleaning. Now to get to the bin, you can take this plate off easily, and here you get a Wi-Fi switch, dustbin. This is how you can remove the filter for cleaning. And if you open this tab, you can open the dustbin for emptying it. Let's put this thing back. Now if you look at the front side of the vacuum cleaner, you get a true 3D detect sensor. Here you get side sensors on both the sides. It also comes with a bumper which helps it to back out and make way. If you look at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, you get two mopping pads included with it, then a side brush. You also get a roller brush. Now to open this, you need to pull these tabs, and here you go, you are in. You can take out the brush for cleaning. Now here you get a dual comb anti-tangle system. This vacuum cleaner comes with nice rugged wheels with suspension, which helps the vacuum cleaner to easily navigate on any surface. It comes with a 360 wheel which also helps it to navigate. Now this vacuum cleaner comes with tons of sensors. Here you get anti-drop sensor. Here also you get a carpet detection sensor which helps the vacuum cleaner to detect the carpet when it's mopping. Now if you look at the base station, you get a dock here and a cleaning sink which can be removed and cleaned when it's dirty. Here you get two tanks. This is for clean water and this is for dirty water. If you open this, inside here you get a dust bin bag where all your dust collected goes in here. This is how it looks after installation. You can download ecovacs Home from Apple Store or Google Play. Now since I have the iPhone, I have downloaded from App Store. So let's go into it. If you see here, I've already set this thing up. So if you swipe here, you can scan and add a robot here. I have already added the robot and mapped my home. So let's go into robot controls, and here you can see 2D layout of the map, and if you want to change the view, you can go here and change to 3D. This is how it looks, but I prefer 2D. If you swipe up here, there are different modes like auto mode, rooms, zone and scenario. Now in auto mode you also have AI, intelligent hosting. It means it will intelligently generate cleaning setting according to your cleaning habits, cleaning histories, flow materials, room types and dirtiness of the floor. Then you can set different parameters according to your cleaning preferences, like vacuuming, mopping or both. Set flow of the water, then cleaning passes, then suction power and the cleaning speed. Here if you click on station, you have more settings here, like you can do a manually, empty dustbin, wash mop and dry mop, and some more settings here. If you click here, you have more settings which I don't want to go through it as the video will become too long. So that's all for today. In my next video I will do a cleaning test and a detailed review of it. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.